Raju is a friendly retail shop owner. He was sitting at his shop when a customer came and purchased something.
Can I make the payment via the XYZ application by scanning the QR code of your shop?
Yes, here's the code. Please scan and pay.
The customer scanned the code under a fake XYZ app. He generated a fake payment intimation screenshot and showed it to Raju.
The payment is done.
Okay, thank you.
At the end of the day, Raju cross-checked his shop account for reconciliation and found that one payment was not yet received in his account. Now he realized that he was duped by showing a fake screenshot. On this spoofing, Raju cannot even complain to the bank or give a fraud report, as the actual fund transfer never happened, and Raju does not have any details of the customer.
Don't conclude financial transaction without actual receipt of fund. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.